Alright, so here we are. We've got the last obstacle of Death Valley. And this is the waterfall of Echo Canyon. I'm going to pan around to Steve, who's about to come up next. And then we're going to walk up it. And then we're going to see his truck come up. So here we go. First, we're going to walk up the waterfall. It's about 6 feet. Not quite vertical, but close. With a little secondary obstacle to follow. All right, be right back.
Nicely done.
All right, let's get you up. All right, now here comes Steve. He's coming up in a diesel-powered Land Cruiser. We're gonna watch and see what happens. Okay, he's right at the bottom of it now. Here he comes.